Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So you can see I have some beautiful flats of zinnias here, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be pinching these out for bushier growth on them, which will mean more blooms. You can see these right here have already been done. So what you want to look for on your zinnia plants is you want at least 2 sets of leaves. So you can see down here, these are the seedling leaves. So you want to count up 2 sets, which will take us right to this one here. And we're going to take our clean pruners and just snip this top right out. And then this is going to branch off. You can see there's a little piece right here already starting to come. And you can see down here, these here were already starting to branch off some. So instead of just having 1 stalk coming up, we're going to have 4 coming up that are going to give us more blooms when they first start blooming. And your cut and come varieties, the more you cut your zinnias, the more they'll come back and they'll keep blooming for you. So let's see here. This one here is not quite ready yet. I'm going to kind of look back through these here. See if we have any more. This one here is ready. Right here, you can also take and just nip that top piece right out of there. So most of these in this flat here, they're not quite ready to pinch out yet. I'll have to check this one back here and see what that one there is doing. Now this one here, I'm not sure what's going on with this one. It has some different coloring in the leaves. It could be a nutrient deficiency, but if I were to cut this one here, I would definitely clean my pruners after I cut it before I would go on to cut any more of them. So when I take my pruners out of the alcohol from soaking, I will let them dry off before I go on to the next one. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!